Back to another video. Today we are starting a new game series. We're doing The Last of Us, the remastered version on the PS4. That's what I picked up, and I thought it'd be a good idea to play it because if I have the game, why not do a game on it? It has a story, right? So yeah, enough talking. Let's do this. So this is created by Naughty Dog, the same company that made the Uncharted series, so yeah. And I really like that Uncharted series. But my least favorite is probably one, I guess, but yeah, it's a really good series. So I want to see what they do with this game. Heard it's supposed to be an M-rated game. Pretty bloody and gory, use of drug and bad language like F words. So yeah. I don't want to actually say the F word. I don't know what this dust thing is going on here, but there's nothing going on right now. No. Wait. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, here we go. Naughty Dog Computer presents a Naughty Dog game.
So the dog is naughty.
That's just the name of the company.
No, is the dog like
Tommy,
like
listen
are
to me.
they bad
He's the contractor.
in the
He's the
company?
contractor, okay? I can't lose this job.
Is that Joel?
I understand. Let's talk about this in a minute, okay?
Too dark in here.
All right, good night.
Hey,
Scoot.
I'm late for it, huh?
So it starts off with a father and a daughter.
Hood, what time is it?
It's way past your bedtime.
I'm still today.
Honey, please not right now. I do not have the energy for this.
Here,
What's this?
your birthday?
This is a zombie game. It's Killer Zombie. It's a survival game too, so all you have to care about is surviving, which I'm happy about. I mean, you do have a partner called Ellie, but that's all. There's just you and her.
That's bad.
And sometimes you run into other people, but they aren't permanent. They go away. But the ones who are permanent are Joel
Did you
and
get the money
Ellie.
for this?
So yeah.
Drugs. I sell hardcore drugs.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage then.
hmm
Yeah, you wish.
They're making a sequel to this game soon. I have no idea when, but they haven't said the release date, but they said eventually. Probably 2021. We're gonna have the PS5 by then, right? No, I don't want the subtitles on. Yeah, subtitles off. Starts off with just guitar music. Let me zoom in a little bit.
I'm not big girl.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something.
Uncle Tommy? Hello?
That's not Ellie, by the way. I don't know if the dad's Joel, but that is not Ellie.
What was that all about?
This game is exclusive, or was exclusive to the PS3. Now it's remastered to the PS4, and it's exclusive to that. So yeah. Outside, likely.
Daddy?
Damn, it's late. Oh my god.
What was that?
Is this the origin story on how the zombies came to Earth? Or something? Some of this game you're just killing people too, like people with guns, and they're dangerous people.
Missed calls. Where the hell are you?
Tommy.
Homie, on my way.
Okay. This is weird. Please don't be a jump scare. This is supposed to also be a horror game. And a gory game. Kind of like gory
Here
games.
you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah?
Does anyone come in here?
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back there.
Dad, you're kind of freaking me out. What's going on?
It's the Coopers. Something ain't right with them. I think they're sick.
What kind of sick?
That kind of sick.
Jimmy!
Like
Dad?
Honey, come here.
murder killers.
Jimmy!
Oh my god. There's the zombies right there. Did I do that? It happened right when I pressed R2. I think I might have done that. And I turned the lights off for nostalgic, because this is a
There's something bad going on. You've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
more of a horror game is Resident Evil series. I've only played 2. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm planning on rebuying it and finishing it. They just released a trailer for Resident Evil 3 remake, and they announced a Resident Evil 8 remake, which I will be playing.
Let's just get out of here.
That's a huge series.
Just please go.
So L2 is how I move or something.
How you holding up, honey?
No, it's how I zoom in.
I'm fine. Can you hear us on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
Why do you want to hear what's on the radio? They could hear us.
No radio. Yeah, we're doing great. A minute ago, newsman wouldn't shut up. He said where to go? They said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County. We need to get the hell out.
Hey, Kevin, what do you think this game looks like?
That's right.
This game looks.
They say how many are dead?
Sometimes it's like dark.
That was one family.
Yes, this is a very dark game. It's rated M, so
But
that means you're gonna see blood, you're gonna see F words, you're gonna hear use of drugs and all that.
it's even darker on this camera.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, spooky time because this is a dark game.
That's Lewis's farm.
So yeah, it's nighttime. So yeah, there we go. We got a little bit of bright, only because it was fire.
Are we sick?
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. We're fine, trust me.
Alright.
Just planning on exploring this game. It's not an explore game. It's a survival game. I do not usually like. Oh yep, he said Joel. He's Joel.
See what I see. Someone
That's Joel, because I heard him say Joel and it sounds like him, and he's got the beard. Joel is the... I only know about him. I haven't played this game before. It's just I know him because of the cover on the game. I have watched some gameplay on it from Zach Scott, so yeah. Zach Scott is my favorite game YouTuber. Who's your favorite game YouTuber, Kevin?
Well, it's not Zach Scott. It's more. Well, I don't know right now, but I have played Zach Scott, but it's not my favorite one. You know, Solly Buzz. I'm not even pronouncing it. Sorry if I can't pronounce it. I'm bad at pronouncing.
Yeah, I'm gonna scoot your chair up because we can't see enough of it.
Back up there! They're behind me too! There, hold on! Go!
Yep, this is a zombie apocalypse, alright. Oh my god.
Was that intense?
What did I... Oh, I'm not dead.
That wasn't intense to me. Mostly.
Hey!
That was just...
The graphics look barely improved, and I mean barely. Okay, I'm playing now. I don't know when it's gonna get into all the shooting, but oh well. Naughty Dog has the same kind of games. They have those Uncharted games, and then they have those normal games. I haven't... Yeah, get off me.
I'm here, baby. Come, give me your hand.
No.